Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Vinay Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss about Swiss Government Excellent Scholarships. The deadlines for this scholarship varies countries by countries. So we will discuss about that. We will discuss important things in this video: types of scholarships, application procedure, how to apply, their selection criteria, etc. So before going in details, I request you as always, if you are new on this channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's discuss in details. First, types of scholarship. Swiss government offers research scholarships and art scholarships. In research scholarship, there are fellowships program, PhD programs, postdoc and postgraduate programs. In arts scholarship, the department related to master's degree in arts are eligible to apply for arts scholarship. Number second, application procedure. This scholarship program offers scholarships to 180 plus countries. Its application process just announced today, and the deadline varies countries to countries. Most of the deadlines are in September, so you are 1 month to apply for this admission and scholarship process. Number third, how to apply. Select the continent with your country of origin. This is the country according to your passport. For receiving further information and application documents, we have to check online. We have to click here, select the continent with your country. I am searching here for Pakistan, so we have to select Asia continent. Then here application documents for scholarship, list of countries. In Asia you can see here Pakistan. Open of the calls for scholarships 2nd August. In the submission of the application, contact for applications. We have to contact Embassy of Switzerland to Pakistan, which is in Islamabad, and there's an email address is given. If you have any query, you can ask directly to them. Then how they select the students. First, after candidate profile, they shortlist the students and then they proceed further application after their assessments. For postdoc and PhD programs, quality of the research projects. Awards. The Swiss government announced its decisions regarding the new scholarship awards by the end of May at the latest, when students will be selected, shortlisted for a scholarship. Then scholarship award varies on their academic background. So according to your department, they will offer you scholarships. Now how to apply. We have selected country. Then we have to go application portal. Here we have selected in Asia, Pakistan. You can see here. documents required for this scholarship are same like other countries. Your transcripts, your degrees. From matriculation onward to recommendation letters, statement of purpose, and your updated curriculum vitae. So all these requirements about this scholarship. If you have any further question about this, you can ask in comment box or you can contact on Telegram group. So this is all about this admission and scholarship process. See you soon in next video. Take care.